the thing I hear most from teams, and especially product marketers that I work with, is the product teams now have increased their velocity so much, and the go to market side of the house has not similarly made workflow adjustments or can adjust to this velocity. It's just like everyone's overwhelmed, and go to market has become the bottleneck as opposed to product building, which used to be the big bottleneck. And so I do actually see product marketing's role as never having been more important because they are that functional bridge between what comes out of product and being able to plug it into the go to market engine. And I'd say what I see product marketers doing, the better ones, is they are trying to take aspects of that workflow where it's like, okay, I'm going to ingest product notes or these specs, and I'm going to use those as a foundation from which to build my materials much more quickly. That's what's now possible with AI. And I'd say the systems are not yet in place in most places to do that, but that's how we need to be thinking about it.